sun will come out tomorrow. So you gotta hang on till tomorrow. There'll be sun. The sun will come out tomorrow. So you gotta hang on till tomorrow. There'll be some famous lunch is open. Why don't you stop down and get a nice little Long Island hot dog? The sun will come out tomorrow. So you gotta hang on till tomorrow. Yesterday, I think this guy was collecting. He's there now. Must be his run, man. This is his. Oh no, that's garbage, man. I don't understand. For a place every morning, I get the coffee. For a place that has so many garbage trucks riding around, county waste, you would think, it'd be a lot cleaner. But anyways, we have to stop this habitual complaining, I mean, if there's garbage, then make the best of it. If you're a painter and you screw up, let them become birds. Work around it. Get up and just say, I'm going to embrace it. The health bill fails, say, I'll embrace it. No big deal. The sun will come out tomorrow. Alright, the Jesus Hotline phone number is here. 444-4949. We'll go to the first caller. Rod from Appleby. Yes. Alright, I gotta figure out how to do different voices here. Rod from Appleby. Yes, so, joy to the world. Joy, joy, joy. Joy, joy, joy to the world. Well, we struck down Trump's mission to fix the AC or whatever, the healthcare, the affordable, the ACA or the GB, I don't know, anything, man. Just name it whatever you want, man. To me, alright, I don't think you would say stuff like that, Rod, because you know what the health insurance is called. Yes, I know what it's called. It's the Affordable Care Act, Affordable AC, Affordable Care, ACA, Affordable Care Act. It was designed to be affordable, and it is. So leave it alone. Anyway, don't you think that's a little bit strange that they're doing that? Since everyone's saying that it's falling apart, that this could be the year it just collapses. That doesn't bother you, does it? No, that's just that's rumors, man. That's lies. And we spell it. The sun will come out tomorrow. So you gotta hang on till tomorrow. Alright, thanks for calling. So it is the Saturday, March 25th. And we had to put a little bit of music over that thing because it was like a third party. I don't know.
Like us, because we present a real
and Frank, it's on my YouTube. Here's a guy that was hostile towards Trump. And CNN, MSNBC, every day you get up, that's all it is. It's just Trump round the clock. They haven't even let up, not one bit. And I don't know. I mean, 10 or less stories. It's all the same stuff. Same people are there around the clock. Usually when you turn it on, there's like 10 of them. you know, yesterday I thought I was seeing double. It was Anderson Cooper and Wolf Blitzer, and they both like, I don't know, just like looked the same, talked the same. All the guests looked and acted and talked the same. And my question is, and we'll go to another call here. Jim in Chestertown.
Yeah, I like the show, Jerry. You know, I grew up watching The Duke. You know?
Yes, have you ever watched Good Times?
Yes, I watch Good Times. Why? You're talking about that one guy who does the voices? You know, voices are weird, you know. I wonder who invented the voices. Probably like that one, well, it all happened when I started talking, the Duke, you know. Then all these comedians and everything, like Richard Little and all that, you know, they started doing that. And then, like, you know, they had sitcoms like in Good Times. You know what I'm saying? And then they would just do it. They would mock people, like, you know, and, you know, to try to make them look bad.
Yes, I think I know what you're saying.
Of course you do. You know what I'm saying? And you got that camera there, man. I mean, people see that camera, man, even in the dark. I don't know, is there a red light on it or something? We gotta get you a Batmobile, you know?
Well, were you listening on the conversation I had the other day?
Yeah, a bat phone.